Toads have long been cast in a variety of fictional roles, from the classic witches familiar to a hapless, submissive creature in folklore. Some stories even portray them as eccentric aristocrats obsessed with speed, as seen in The Wind in the Willows. However, these depictions barely scratch the surface of the real-life capabilities of these remarkable amphibians. Beyond their warty appearance and slow, lumbering movements, toads possess an arsenal of survival skills that make them far more intriguing than their fictional counterparts. At first glance, differentiating a toad from a frog may seem straightforward. Most people picture frogs as sleek and agile, while toads appear more rugged and earthbound. Scientifically, however, the distinction is not as rigid. Toads generally have drier, bumpier skin and are more adapted to terrestrial environments, but they share many fundamental characteristics with frogs. While they may lack the agility and powerful leaps of their amphibian relatives, toads have developed their own means of survival that are just as effective, if not more so. The toad's formidable defense mechanism. Toads are not natural predators in the way that snakes or birds of prey are. Their diet consists primarily of small insects, and they rely on their sticky, extendable tongues rather than sharp claws or fangs. Yet when it comes to self-defense, these creatures have evolved a potent chemical weapon that deters even the most formidable predators. Many toad species secrete toxic substances from their skin and specialized glands, which can cause anything from mild irritation to fatal poisoning. One of the most notorious of these amphibians is the cane toad, Rhinella marina, a species native to Central and South America, but now infamous as an invasive species in Australia and other parts of the world. These toads produce a powerful toxin known as bufatoxin, a milky substance that can be deadly to predators. Dogs, for example, often fall victim to cane toad poisoning, as their natural curiosity leads them to lick or bite these seemingly harmless creatures. The consequences can be dire: frothing at the mouth, seizures, and even death. For humans, ingesting or handling cane toad venom can lead to nausea, hallucinations, and, in extreme cases, severe illness. This potent chemical cocktail serves as a warning to anything that dares to see the toad as an easy meal. From poison to medicine, the unexpected benefits of toad venom. Though their toxins are lethal in large doses, toads have also played a surprising role in medicine. Their defensive chemicals contain compounds that can be beneficial to humans when used in controlled amounts. In traditional Chinese medicine, dried toad venom has been used for centuries as a treatment for a variety of ailments, including pain relief, and even as an aphrodisiac. The belief in its healing properties has persisted for generations, and modern science is beginning to validate some of these claims. One of the key components of toad venom is structurally similar to digitalis, a compound found in foxglove plants. Digitalis is well known for its effects on the heart. It stimulates cardiac muscles and is used in medicine to regulate heart rhythm and treat heart failure. This connection between toad venom and cardiac treatment has led researchers to investigate its potential in modern pharmaceuticals. A new frontier: toad venom and cancer treatment. Recent research from the University of Queensland in Australia has uncovered another groundbreaking application for toad venom: its potential to combat cancer. Scientists studying cane toad toxins found that certain chemical compounds in their venom appear to be effective against prostate cancer cells. This discovery is particularly exciting, as prostate cancer remains one of the most common and deadly forms of cancer worldwide. The compounds in the venom appear to work by targeting and disrupting cancerous cells while leaving healthy cells largely unaffected. If further studies confirm these effects, cane toad venom could become the basis for a new class of cancer treatments. While it may be some time before toad-derived medications are available for widespread use, this research highlights how even the most unlikely creatures can hold the key to groundbreaking medical advancements. The toad's reputation: from outcast to anti-hero. Despite their contributions to medicine and their fascinating defensive adaptations, toads are often regarded with disgust. Their bumpy skin, slow movements, and perceived ugliness make them easy targets for myths and superstitions. Some cultures have associated them with bad omens, while others see them as symbols of transformation and hidden potential. Yet, if we look beyond appearances, the toad emerges as an undeniable anti-hero of the natural world. It is a creature that, despite its unassuming nature, has developed one of the most effective chemical defense systems in the animal kingdom. It has provided humans with valuable medicinal compounds and may even hold the key to future cancer treatments. Perhaps it's time to change the way we see the toad. Rather than viewing it as a warty outcast, we should recognize it as a survivor, a healer, and a creature with remarkable abilities. It may never shake its association with witches or fairy tales, but if it can help fight some of our deadliest diseases, its status as an anti-hero might just be what saves lives.